Hello students, we are going to complete today exercise 3.5 and 3.6 for you. Pair of linear equations in two variables. We'll do this question. This question is very important. Number 4. Question number 4. Place A and B are 100 km apart on highway. One car starts from A and another from B at the same time. If the car travel in the same direction at different speeds, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of two cars? This is logged on 5, 5, 2 and 20. Exercise 3.5 and 3.6. Solution of question number 4. Car A and car B, first car and second car. The distance between them A and B is 100 km and B to C is m kilometer. Let the speed of car 1, this car, speed of car 1 at A be x kilometer per hour and B y kilometer per hour. Distance from A to B is 100 kilometer and B to C is m kilometer. Both cars move in the same direction and they meet in 5 hours as question given. From A and B, both cars moving towards the same direction, A to C and B to C in 5 hours. The BC distance is covered in 5 hours and this AC distance covered in 5 hours. So the speed equal to distance by time for car 1, speed x is equal to 100 plus m. This is the total distance traveled in 5 hours by 5, and the 5x is equal to 100 plus m, or m is equal to 5x minus 100. This is number 1. Now take here from this is speed for second. Speed for this y is equal to m by 5. So m is equal to 5 by putting this value m here. M is equal to 5y in this, then 5x, this is 5x minus 100, 5x minus 100 is equal to, this is 5y. So your equation becomes y is equal to x minus 20. This is number 3. Now both cars travel towards each other. So A and B, they meet in 1 hour here. Car 1 travel this distance in 1 hour, car B second travel this distance in 1 hour. So the speed is equal to distance by time. The distance, total distance 100, this is n, then this is 100 minus n. So the speed is equal to distance by time. Speed is given already. We suppose this thing x, and this is 100 minus n by 1, and this x is equal to 100 minus n. Speed for car 2, y is equal to this is speed y is equal to n by 1. So y is equal to n, putting this value here, x is equal to 100 minus y, or since from here you know y is equal to x minus 20. Y is equal to x minus 20, and put this value here. So 2y, this y and this are 2y is equal to 80. So y is equal to 40 km per hour. Now from 3, y is equal to x minus 20, you got this 40, x minus 20, x is equal to 60. So speed of car 1, the speed of car 1 at A is equal to x kilometer per hour is equal to 60 km per hour, and the speed of car 2 at B is equal to y kilometer per hour, that is equal to 40 km per hour. I think you will complete this exercise. If any problem, ask me on my WhatsApp number. We are going to solve this exercise 3.6. Solve the following pairs of equations by reducing them to pair of linear equations. 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3. We are going to find the value of x and y. This is your question. Let 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b. Then equation 1 and 2, we can write this equation as 1 by x is equal to a by 2, b by 3 is equal to 2. A by 2, b by 3 equal to 2. And 3 to 6 LCM of this. 3a plus 2b equal to 2. And 3a plus 2b is equal to 6 to the 12. This is your equation from this. Similarly, you can write the equation this. A by 3, b by 2 equal to 13 by 6. and after solving you will get 2a plus 3b equal to 13. So two equations you got, 3 and 4. From 3 and 4, what you will do, 3a plus 2b is equal to 20, 2a plus 3b is equal to 30. By elimination method, eliminate one thing here, 3 2 ja 6 and 2 3 ja. So multiply this by 3 and multiply this by 2. So what you will get, this is 6a plus 4b is equal to 24, and 3 2 ja 6a plus 3 3 ja 9b equal to 13 3 ja 39. Subtracting this thing, then we get minus 5b equal to 15, minus 15, b equal to minus 15 by minus 5, this equal to 3. By putting this value b in 3, 3a plus 2b equal to 12, 3a and 2b is 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3a is equal to 12 minus 6 is equal to a, so therefore a is equal to 2. Since a equal to 2, but you know a is 1 by x, you suppose this thing, a is equal to 1 by x, so put this value here. So 2x is equal to 1, so x is equal to 1 by 2, and b equal to 3, 1 by y equal to 3, so y equal to 1 by 3, you got this value. And 1 by root y equal to b, so you can solve like this. Here let 1 by x minus 1 is equal to a, or 1 by y minus 2 equal to b, and solve this question. We are going to solve this question number 8. This is somehow difficult question. So here suppose this 1 by 3x is equal to a, 1 by 3a plus y equal to b, then we can write above equation as a and b. A plus b equal to 3 by 4, multiply this for a plus 4b equal to 3, and second equation is a by 2, b by 2 with minus sign, and minus 1 by 8, correct? So take LCM, a minus b equal to this, and then a minus b is minus 1 by 4, multiply this 4a minus 4b equal to minus 1. So 1 and 2 equation we are going to solve by 1, and you have two equations here, 4a plus 4b equal to 3, 4a minus 4b equal to, adding this thing, 8a equal to 2, a equal to 1 by 4, putting this value a equal to 1 by 4 here in 1, you get b equal to 1 by 2. Since a equal to 1 by 4, but a is 1 by 3x by y equal to 1 by 4, or 3x plus y equal to 4, so 3x, and from b you get 3x minus y equal to 2, adding this 6, x is equal to 6, so x equal to 1, putting this value here, x equal to 1 in this or this, what do we get, 3x plus y equal to 4, 3x, x is 1, so 3 plus y equal to 4, y equal to 4 minus 3 equal to 1. From this we can do all questions, and see question number 2, formulate the following problems as a pair of equation and hence find their solution. We are going to do this question. Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing. Let her speed of rowing in still water be x km per hour, and the speed of the current is equal to y km. This is supposition, this and this. Now we are going to find the value of x and y. In case of downstream, speed are added. Downstream, both speeds x and y added. So x plus y km per hour, and the distance is 20 km. Rowing for distance is 20 km, and time taken is 2 hours. So distance 20 and this. The speed equal to distance by time, and speed is x plus y is equal to 20 by 2 equal to 10. This is number 1. And in case of downstream, both are going toward this side. But in case of upstream, boat is going toward this direction, but water is flowing like this. So this is opposite. So speed is decreased. So speed equal to x minus y. So speed equal to x minus y, and time taken, distance traveled 4 km in 2 hours. So distance is 4 by 2. So this is 2. First equation, x plus y equal to 10 and x minus y equal to 2. Adding both equation, adding equation 1 and 2, x plus y equal to 10, x minus y equal to 2. 2x is equal to 10 plus 12, x equal to 12 by 6 equal to 6 km, 12 by 2 is equal to 6 km. Putting this value in 1, 6 plus y equal to 10, so y equal to 10 minus 6 is equal to 4 km. Her speed in still water is equal to 6 km per hour, and the speed of current is 4 km per hour. Now I think you will complete this exercise 3.6. Okay, take care, stay at home, bye.